Finally, nakita nyo sa akong amigo ng vlogger ba? Busy sila nag-order. Thank you there. Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Dito kami ngayon sa Manchester guys para i-meet up yung yung tropa namin na na vlogger. Yung asawa niya ay taga Czech Republic, so din yung interracial couple din sila. Pero to guys, sobrang sobrang famous. Maraming 100,000 subscriber. So i-meet up natin mamaya guys. I'm so excited. Bro, finally nakita nyo sa akong amigo ng vlogger ba?
At last, ilang taon hinihintay.
Guys, nakita nyo sa akong idol nga Filipino Czech Republic guys, oh. Dire pa yun sa Manchester. Guys, kuhanin kayo, very famous din kayo, naghanig kag subscriber.
Okay, maniwala kay JB. So, ilang taon, JB, hinintay natin to, mga 2 taon.
Oo, 2 taon.
Oh, palagi na kami pumusap dito sa...
Mag-video call lang kami dito lagi.
At last, binisita niya ako. At layo kasi sa nila.
Oo.
5 hours bro. Drive.
5 hours na. Ay, ano ba? Okay. Mag-drive.
Man, okay man.
Sige, unya. Mamaya na naman ulit guys ha. Ano bro, kumusta yung yung trabaho natin?
Mabuti naman. Ngayon punta natin kung saan tumuloy si Jay sa kanyang hotel. Dito lang yun bro.
Guys,
Pakaliwan tayo.
Sa hindi nakakaalam guys, ito si FilipinoBritishCouple guys. Filipino Czech Republic. Ito yung idol ko talaga.
Idol ko rin to. Ito
So
yung idol ko.
Hindi pa ako nag-vlog, napanood ko na to kaya guys, panoorin nyo Filipino Czech family.
Panoorin nyo yun si Jay. Jay, hindi ka nagpalit ng pangalan no? FilipinoBritishCouple vlog.
Guys, nakakahiya mag-Tagalog kasi kami pareho Bisaya.
Pareho Bisaya ka. Nagtatagalog lang kami para maintindihan nyo. Ganun talaga.
Ang sarap sana mag-Bisaya ba, pero para din maintindihan nyo guys, nag-Tagalog na lang kami.
Tagalog na lang kami.
Kaya balik ko minsan yung Tagalog ko.
Ako din. Ganun talaga.
So, ayun guys, sa Manchester kami. Galing sa Southampton, 5 hours drive.
Lakas loob bro, no?
Oo.
Grabe, hindi ko ayaw ko nun.
7 months pala ako nag-drive.
Ako ayaw ko nun. Hindi ako malakas. Tamad ako mag-drive eh. Kaya...
Ito yung guys, napaka-famous nito pero napaka-humble ba. Nilibre pa kami ng pagkain, nilibre pa ng painom. Sana pa.
Siyang naglibre.
Ayan guys, panoorin nyo to ha kasi
panoorin nyo
talaga.
Sa baka bukas ma-upload to ni Jay or bukas makalawa.
In-update ko lang kayo guys kasi siyempre matagal na akong hindi naka-vlog.
Tagal mo nang hindi nakapag-vlog Jay, no?
I-shout out mo pala yung kumpare ko sa sa Southampton, si Brian tsaka Francis.
Shout out kay Brian tsaka kay Francis.
Yung
Tawid.
Guys, ito yung Manchester guys, napakaganda dito. Napakaganda ng panahon. Ayan dyan si Emma, Hana, yung anak ni bro. Guys, kumusta kayong lahat?
Tawid.
Pag magkaanak ako bro, ikaw yung bro, ninong ka bro.
Ninong.
Say hi to my vlog. Let's go. Oops. Yung idol ko. Mamaya ulit. Papunta na kami sa hotel. Welcome back to our vlog.
2 years, JB. 2 years.
It's been 2 years, yeah.
Yeah. we've been planning this to meet up. And then,
Yes, finally.
Finally.
yeah,
Finally it
because
happened.
it's really far.
Yeah.
It's 5 hours drive. So JB
Yeah.
came here, drove 5 hours to meet us. It's so my privilege, our privilege.
You know,
Really.
it's an honor to meet my idol.
Next idol.
Guys, ito yung mga idol ko dito na na vlogger, si Filipino Czech family.
No.
Chapit Boy, Hannah, and Sophia. Tiga beautiful girl. Say hi to Sophia. Say hi, Sophia.
So maybe one day we'll visit JB. I don't know how because I am really lazy to drive. Maybe by train.
Yeah.
Driver.
So,
Guys, mga famous to sa ano. They're really famous.
So si JB is from Leyte,
Yeah.
like bro.
Later,
So
yeah. We are
oh,
Bisaya.
yeah, JB and I speak same language. I could speak Ilonggo. JB could speak Cebuano, and we almost the same culture. We share the same culture. We share the same what you call that?
Same food, the same same culture.
Yeah, that is why we get along together.
Same interest.
Same
Yeah,
interest.
same
Background. Thank you. That's the correct way. That's the correct word.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for that. Right, sa hindi nakakaalam guys, we are both working on the cruise ship. This same story.
Same story, yes. Yeah, si JB, marine engineer. Si Japit Boy, security.
Hannah is a hotel
wait.
manager.
I wish.
Hannah was a waitress on
Waitress.
board.
Waitress. Emma is, what's your job, Emma?
Hotel
I was
manager.
a loyalty sales manager.
Oh wow.
Loyalty
Wow.
sales.
Very high
Yeah.
position.
It
Yeah.
sounds more glamorous.
Yeah. So we both, like we all four together met on board cruise ship.
Yeah.
What company was that, bro?
Piano cruises.
Piano. And
You guys?
Carnival Cruise Line.
So they are in Carnival Cruise Line.
Yeah.
Is that in
America.
Independence of the seas?
No, that's different one.
That's different one.
I think
That's a fun ship.
yeah, and Carnival is based in Miami. I think
Okay.
Piano is based in Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, Europe. So
Yeah.
yeah, so nice story really. We met up here. We talk about that story.
We talk about life.
Yeah,
Talk about
talk
life.
about
It's
life.
nice to finally meet because I think we've always heard about each other a lot, haven't
Yeah.
we? So it's nice to finally like put faces to the name and
Yeah.
actually
Yeah.
And
meet
have a
rather
chat.
than be internet friends. We're real friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But me and GB we always talk in
Over the phone.
We do video call.
video call in what you call that? Messenger.
Messenger, yeah.
And then one day JB told me, bro, I booked my hotel ticket in Manchester.
We're bromance.
Yeah. So I said like, all right, let's meet up then.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah.
So now we are here.
Well,
Enjoying.
Thank you so much, guys, for
No, we thank you.
How do you call it? Giving us time, because time is gold in the UK, you know.
Yeah. Emma and JB, they are busy people.
Yeah. The last thing I'm gonna ask is, can you give us a shout out to all my friends in Southampton?
So shout out,
Brian,
Brian.
Hello,
Akain.
Brian.
Oh,
Brian Akain,
Brian
They
Akain.
might not want their full names on the internet.
Francis,
Francis. Oh, full kata bro.
Francis,
Hello, Francis.
Catherine,
Catherine.
Diane,
Diane.
family. Shout out to my mother-in-law as well.
Oh, Emma's mom. We watch you many times in JB's vlog.
JB's
Yeah.
mother-in-law.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, guys. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just
And
chilling out.
maybe this is not the first. Maybe we'll do it again next time.
Of course, yes.
Not the last.
Yeah.
Not the last.
This is not
This is
the
not
last.
the first and not the. This is the first, but this is not the last.
This is
Yeah,
not the last.
exactly.
That's it. All right. We love you guys and
Bye.
Cheers.
see you in a bit.
Cheers.
Bye bye.
Bye.